They did it. You can create meat in a lab. It's called cultivated meat, and it's finally here in South Africa. The truth they shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, they can create meat. Asqale. So how do they do it? Understand ukuthi you take a sample from a cow, a goat, or a chicken, and then you extract stem cells from your sample. You also include plants-based nutrition because you need a foundation for your mixture. You then take that mixture, you try to formulate a muscle fiber via the bioreaction of a mixture yako, and then after that you process that muscle fiber ephumile from a reaction, and then boom, you get inyama, meat. When all of those samples, all of those muscles, those fibers have combined, they create inyama that me and you can consume. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi, what does that benefit us? We have environmental factors. That means ukuthi we get much less land usage, we get much less water usage, and we also get lower greenhouse gases that are emitted from our farms that house our livestock. We also have the animal welfare for those people who care about ilwane. That means no slaughtering is required anymore. Finally, the chickens, the cows, the goats are free. Food security with lab grown meat or cultivated meat, it can be produced in cities. It is not dependent on drought, grazing of land, or food supply chain. There are also safety reasons why beyenza lento, which is it lowers risk of diseases like bird flu or E. coli outbreak theoretically. The best parts, okay, imake le part ngizoyikhuluma ngesiZulu. Le nyama isiphumile. Angikhulumi ngento mina which is gonna be released months from now. I am telling you ukuthi they needed to test le nyama, and so they brought it out into the public, but they did not tell you umuntu omnyama ukuthi you are consuming cultivated meat, because when ufika uthatha i-tray awufundi laphaya, but inyama iphumile. And if ngempela umuntu omnyama ohlaniphile, you can taste the difference. Umuntu omnyama uzoyibuza ukuthi where does South Africa enter in all of this? Understand ukuthi South Africa's CSIR has been working with the biotech companies to scale or to increase the key biological ingredients needed to cultivate inyama. What does that mean? It means ukuthi la South Africa ngo-2026 there was a breakthrough. We have successfully scaled the production of EFGF2. Yes, i-fibroblast growth factor 2, edingakalayo towards making more of le nyama that can be grown kwi-lab. Understand ukuthi this is a critical protein that makes animal cells multiply for the lab-grown meat. Yes, this was done in partnership with Immerco, South Africa's biotech startup. In South Africa, now you can walk into a store, see inyama and see iprice yayo and say ukuthi yazi ya-cheap le nyama, not knowing ukuthi you are about to buy cultivated meat, inyama that was created in a lab. It is cheap because they need consumers to buy it so that they can see i-reaction yabantu kule nyama.